Hello there. Are you in the West Los Angeles area and experiencing computer troubles? Let's talk about West LA Computer Expert as a potential solution based on what we've learned. According to their YouTube video transcript and website, West LA Computer Expert aims to be your go-to for tech support in West LA. They promote themselves as having proven PC help and support for all your tech needs. They also emphasize helping you fight computer scams with their expert guidance. Here's what makes West LA Computer Expert stand out. According to the sources. Reputation. They have stellar reviews on Yelp, Google, and Angie. Their website also features numerous testimonials praising Dan, who is the lead technician. Customers describe his service as impeccable, quick, fair, and honest, highlighting his ability to fix almost any computer problem and his reliability over several years. One recent review from March 2025 mentions a tech fixing a broken SSD on the same day. Expertise. West LA Computer Expert states they are A+ and MCP Microsoft certified computer technicians with over 2 decades of experience in the field. They consider themselves true Windows experts MCP. Microsoft certified professionals, trained and experienced in all Windows issues. Services offered. They provide every type of computer help, including services like IT solutions, virus and malware removal, network support, and PC hardware support, each listed at an hourly rate of $90 an hour. They also mention offering fast data storage with high-performance SSDs and disaster recovery solutions. Importantly, every service includes a free system optimization. Customer focus. They aim for simple answers, rapid solutions, and understand that your time is valuable, often scheduling service for the same or next day. They strive to get to know your system and network to learn your specific needs and requirements, providing service tailored to your individual computer environment. They also offer on-site service. Location and coverage. While based in Los Angeles, 90064, their listed service areas are quite extensive, covering West Los Angeles, Santa Monica, Century City, Van Nuys, Malibu, Brentwood, Bel Air, Culver City, Encino, Airport LAX, Pacific Palisades, Marina del Rey, Los Angeles, Torrance, West Hollywood, Palms, North Hollywood, Downtown LA, Westwood, Mar Vista, Inglewood, Venice, and Beverly Hills. Contact information. You can contact them at 310-850-8093. It's worth noting that the sources also mention Geek Squad West LA, located inside Best Buy on WPICO Boulevard. While also in West LA, the information provided focuses on Geek Squad as part of a larger retail operation offering a wide range of tech services, rather than the more specialized focus suggested by West LA Computer Expert's self-description and testimonials. Based on the testimonials on the West LA Computer Expert website and the YouTube transcript, Daniel Zivitz, known as Dan, appears to have a highly positive and reliable demeanor. Customers describe him as quick to respond and punctual, ensuring satisfaction before leaving. He is consistently praised for his fairness and honesty, as well as being knowledgeable and helpful, able to tackle almost any computer issue. Many reviewers also highlight his friendly and nice personality, establishing him as a trusted go-to expert. So, if you're looking for computer help in West LA Computer Expert is a service emphasizing experienced, certified technicians, a strong customer service reputation, and a wide range of support options, particularly for PC and Windows-related issues.